I'm going to show you how to export all your ChatGPT chats and data. Whether you want a backup or just want to keep your history safe, this takes less than a minute to set up. First thing, make sure you're signed into ChatGPT at chat.openai.com. See your profile icon down here in the bottom left. Go ahead and click on that. A little menu pops up. From here, click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for Data Controls in the left sidebar and click on that. And right here, you'll see the Export Data section. Just click the Export button right there. A confirmation box pops up. Go ahead and click Confirm Export. It may ask you to approve the sign-in. Just approve it to proceed. Then click Export Data again and Confirm Export. And that's it on the ChatGPT side. You'll see a little message confirming your request went through. Now head over to your email, the one you used to sign up for ChatGPT. You'll get a message from OpenAI, so also check your spam or promotions folder just in case. IIT usually arrives within a few minutes, but OpenAI says it can take up to 7 days for larger accounts. Once the email arrives, click Download Data Export. This will download a zip file to your device. Heads up, that download link expires after 24 hours, so don't leave it sitting in your inbox too long. And that's all there is to it. A few clicks, check your email, and you've got your entire ChatGPT history saved. See you in the next one.